A lot of work.
Oh, for Christ's sake!
Seats.
You shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Hey, Hamilton, have a holly jolly Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal!
All ready for Christmas?
I beg your pardon?
Will you be good enough to explain all this?
First of all, I would like to make one thing quite clear.
Yes.
Flashback.
Oh my God, it's Tango!
I never explain anything.
God blesses everyone.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
Merry Christmas, Mr.